How's it going today? This is Nomad Mobile Maintenance and Repair. Today we're working on a 2006 Ford F-250 with a 6-liter Power Stroke. Customer states that the vehicle is just not starting nicely. They think it's the glow plugs. So they bought all the glow plugs. They bought the glow plug injector harness and the glow plug relay. I got here and just because this is a 6-liter, I'm a little bit more hesitant to just replace parts on a lot of vehicles, especially older ones. Not surprising that glow plugs could go out, but I wanted to pull codes. When we pulled codes, we had a p0611 and a bunch of injector fault codes. Now, when you go through the wiring and the pinpoint tests, what you find is that it basically tries to avoid replacing that nice gray box back there. This has already been fixed, so, fantastic. But it tries to avoid saying that that's at fault, and these do commonly go at fault, but I do understand. We had to check the wiring to make sure all the injectors had good resistance. We had power at the FICM, but in the end, everything was pointing to the FICM being the cause, and that was indeed the issue. We put the FICM in. On some of these, you will have to program it. We got that replaced, and now this thing starts like an absolute champ. So we got that done for the customer. They're currently traveling on their way out of state to get to a job, so we got them taken care of. Thanks so much for joining us. This is Nomad Mobile Maintenance and Repair.